Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to walk you through this 2025 Yamaha 252 FSH Sport. Boat just arrived at the dealership. Beautiful boat, guys. Solid white hull. Comes with this aluminum dual axle trailer. Let's take a look at the back. All right guys, taking a look at the transom. You'll see that this is a great place to entertain and hang out. Transom sits low in the water. Have a nice telescoping ladder right here to help board. You also have a transom remote for your stereo. This is a bracket to hold your table as well. Cup holders and bolsters to lay back on. Also has a tow point for water sports. Let's climb aboard and take a look at the inside. All right guys, welcome aboard the 252 FSH. Taking a look at the front here at the bow, you'll see you've got full cushions with backrests, perfect for extending. A full-size adult can stretch their legs out. Plenty of cup holders, speakers to amplify your sound with nice grab bars. You'll notice you also have speakers up front, or excuse me, cup holders up front. These also have the integrated rod holders in them as well. Taking a look at the rest of the boat, you'll see it's got the C-deck accents throughout the whole boat. More gunnel rod holders as you work your way back. Taking a look at the helm, guys, you'll notice that you've got the 12-inch Simrad, the Yamaha Connect screen, and a wireless phone charger. All your instrumentation nicely laid out right here. Perfectly and nicely set up. Bolsters at your helm seat. You also have a transom live well, and I didn't point out that you have another aquarium-sized live well up front. Perfect boat for hanging out, cruising, water sports, fishing. Checks all the boxes. For more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina location. Thank you.